Welcome to the World United. Welcome to the World United.
Hi everyone. I'm so glad to be part of this third World Unity Congress, and I thank Dr. Yugandhar to have accepted my participation. I am François Laurin from France. I am a yoga teacher and trainer, and I am deeply concerned with this question of unity within mankind. One of my beloved teacher, Jiddu Krishnamurti, used to say almost 60 years back that her house was burning and that identification was the main problem. To identify oneself with a nation, with a family, with a religion, and so on, created disruption within relationships and fighting. Well, yoga says the same in slightly different terms, and Patanjali, the author of Yoga Sutra, points out that we are all made in our minds of 5 kleshas. The word can be translated as impediments, sources of suffering. The first one is a kind of misunderstanding about reality, avidya. The second is a creation of a false sense of identity, asmita. The third and the fourth, raga and dvesha, is a pair of opposites, attraction and repulsion. And the last one, the fifth, abhinivesha, is a strong clinging to life, which creates fear. Unless we human beings as individuals work upon the structure of the mind to reduce the impact of kleshas and also to discover our real identity, which is pure consciousness, I doubt humanity will ever reach a sense of unity. So as a yoga teacher, I try to help people to discover what they are and also to reduce the impact of kleshas in their lives. So this will be the invitation in my talk, but I use a text called Ashtavakra Samhita, which is not a yoga text, but more a Vedanta text, which I am going to use as a support about my, let us say, sharing about this question of unity. Thank you.